Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna to do another reaction. The reaction is Halimo Gobaad. Yeah, I think this is from Somalia. She's really beautiful girl. She's really beautiful lady from Somalia. I really enjoy it. This is a really beautiful song from Somalia. If you like this girl, it's really wow, heart touching. Really beautiful. I really enjoy and I really like this girl. If you really like, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share to your friend. Don't forget to share this video, so must subscribe and check out. Hey, wow. Oh, Iga Jooji, rockstar. Wow, beautiful. I like it. Wow, amazing, 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 amazing. I like it, I like it. Oh wow, wow, she's really beautiful and hot. Wow, I like Black Beauty, yeah. Wow. Wow. Nice. Handsome girl, huh? Beautiful. Somali beauty. Come on, come on. I know you're a beautiful girl. Oh, you like? Yeah, I like it. Wow. Wow, nice walk. Catwalk. Wow, wow, guys, it's really amazing. I like it. She's really amazing girl. She from Somalia. I really enjoyed this song. She's really beautiful. I like to her. I really like her. She's really amazing. If you like, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share to your friend. You're watching narration video, and my name is Nas. I love you all. Take care and bye bye.